here we are, last trip of the season. Didn't do too much of the camper life this year, but I would be remiss if I didn't share with y'all some of our beautiful fall colors. It's pretty nice here at camp on this beautiful October day. I'm just waiting for Bob of Bob's Camper to come and winterize for us. Leaves are just starting to turn here. You can see way off in the distance, the wedding barn is pretty nice. Pioneer Mark putting his outbuilding over there for his guests. We are hoping that one day his guests will be able to rent something from us over here. Some of our beautiful fall foliage out here in the Berkshire. Pretty nice. Got a little bit of alfalfa right here. Beautiful fall day out here, beautiful.